Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to create a rainbow gradient of text. We will design a rainbow style text with gradient editor. Type your text in bold letters and select it. Go to the blending options and gradient overlay. Click the gradient to open the editor and add multiple colors: stripes, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Spread them evenly along the slider. Set style to linear for a smooth rainbow flow, and also adjust angle for direction across the text. Increase scale to make colors blend naturally. Add inner shadow to make the text pop, and also lower the fill opacity for gloss like finish. You are